Director of Tourism Department, Pooja Langbam, has informed that top officials, including Manipur DGP, Tourism Department officials, along with Manipur Police SPs of Imphal East, Imphal West, Kamjong and Ukhrul districts have convened a meeting to discuss about security arrangement for the upcoming Shirui Lily Festival, which will be organized from May 20 to 24. She also urged the public to attend the festival as relevant authority will provide security during the festival. The statement was made by Pooja Langbam during the launching ceremony of the 5-day festival and Miss Shirui Lily 2025 beauty pageant, which will be conducted under the theme Beauty for Humanity today. The launching ceremony was organized by the Indigenous Foundation, Viewland Ukhrul, at the Noble Boardroom of Hotel Classic Grande at Chingmerong. Speaking further, Pooja Langbam highlighted that Shirui Festival is a specific festival in a calendar year and that it is also a platform to showcase the culture and tradition of Manipur, especially Ukhrul, to the world. She added that Shirui Hill and Shirui Lily are a unique tourist spot for Manipur. Audition process for Miss Shirui Lily 2025 will be conducted at Ukhrul, Imphal and Delhi 45 days before the grand finale. The organizers will select 20 contestants from among the auditionees, and the final winners of the beauty pageant will also be presented with various subtitles. The launching ceremony was also attended by Shirui CT Village Hetman Yungre Shang and Shirui CK Village Hetman Soyo A. Wungshek as special invitees.
The Shirui Lily Festival is a calendar event for the Department of Tourism, Government of Manipur, and it's a really important event because it highlights the unique features of Ukhrul, its beautiful landscapes and its culture and traditions. So we'll be showcasing that in different ways. We'll be having the main important opening ceremony in the Shirui village itself, and it is also commemorating its 75th year of the Shirui Lily being recognized in the Chelsea Flower Show in the UK. So that's a really important event. So to mark that, we'll be having a photo exhibition which will be narrating the stories of the people and the history of Ukhrul. It will be a platform for young people to showcase their talents, their abilities, and also to work for a cause because this will be a beauty with humanity. This will be about beauty with a purpose.